Alright, so today I'm going to show you this process of the Veil Nebula region in the sky, as you can see. And I just inputted the final stack from SharpCap, but you need to stack the photos obviously first in Siril or Deep Sky Stacker. So the first thing you will be faced with after putting the stack is most likely cropping. As you can see, I have some rotation here, which is mainly my fault because I didn't align the different nights. Now what I do is I don't crop instantly. I go to image processing, background extraction, just press generate and compute background and press apply. Now this will allow you to see the artifacts better, so you crop better. Then I do a box with the left click, press crop, rotate and crop, and you can drag the slider and drag the box. I'm gonna do it a bit slanting. And obviously you want to get the maximum you can get in the photo, but you don't want to get the artifacts visible. Now, in my case, it's like this, the best field of view, like this. Now don't press apply now, go back. Now press apply. Okay. Now, let me show you how to open this. Go to scripts, Python scripts, processing, and GraXpert AI. You need to let Siril know where GraXpert is first. But you do this by going to this menu here, preferences, miscellaneous, and input the GraXpert.exe here. Basically is the GraXpert software, and StarNet and put it in this one. Alright, so I leave the default smoothing 0.5 and extract the background. Now, as you can see, it revealed a lot more details. Now the next step is color calibration. Go to tools, astrometry, image plate solver. Now you can input a target name here, like Messier 31 or something like that. You input it by M31, just for an example, not Messier. Or you can drag a box and press OK. It works as well, but this doesn't always work, depends on the field of view you have. Next, go to image processing, color calibration, and SPCC in short. Now, and white point reference, when it's not a galaxy, I choose star type G2V. Basically, I've been told this is like our star. The same white point reference as our star. One shot color, since I shot with one shot color camera, I use the 294 camera, so I choose IMX294 and narrow band mode. Since this is a narrow band image. And my filter is 7nm, which is chosen here. That's okay. And what this will do is it will calibrate the image to the correct colors. You will see it change colors now. It doesn't take much. Depends on how fast your PC is. Okay, as you can see, it changed colors a bit. Now, next thing is channel extraction, because in my case I want to split the channels and then do a Hubble palette in HOO. I don't want to keep it natural, I want to show the Halpha and OIII channels more. I separate the channels into RGB, press apply, and they will go to the Siril directory, wherever you have saved with this icon here. Take the G and B channel, put them in the lights folder, and we are going to stack them. scripts, Siril script files, and OSC processing without DBF. And now it's stacking those two channels. And what we are going to do with those is combine the green and blue channel. It's this one. Combine the green and blue channel and use that as an OIII channel. Now go to channel extraction, split channels, delete these letters, and only use the red channel. If you use the others, Siril will crash. I don't know if they fixed the issue, but before it used to crash. I just do OIII like this, or OIII, however you wish. Apply. Okay, now we're going to combine the channels we made. Go to composition, RGB compositing. Okay, the luminance channel is the red channel. Red channel, I choose red channel as well. Oops, sorry, I made a mistake. Green channel, choose the OIII. And blue channel, choose the OIII as well. And close. Now we're going to extract the background. As you can see, it's very red, the background, so we need to extract it again. Okay, and as you can see, the OIII and H alpha are really more pronounced. So I really like this palette. Okay, now next thing is I have some trailed stars at the corners here, but I'm going to do. Siril has an aberration remover. I will do a video about this, but basically it's a script that you can download and stuff like that. Python scripts and aberration remover, and this will tighten up the stars. It will take longer with a large image like this. You just have to press calculate, and it will calculate the aberrations and correct them for you. Okay, it's ready. Now next step is we're gonna denoise the image. I'm gonna open the GraXpert AI again. And this time I'm going to do denoising. You can do the stuff inside GraXpert as well, you don't need to do it here. But this is convenient to do it here. Since this image is quite noisy, I'm going to choose quite a harsh denoising. And this will take a while, like it will take like 2 minutes I think on my laptop. On yours it might take longer. But the denoising is done, and now we're gonna remove the stars. Image processing, star processing, star net removal, and make sure these two are ticked and execute. And like I said before, this will take like 1 or 2 minutes with a relatively fast laptop, but if your laptop is slower it will take longer. Okay, so this is the auto stretch. As you can see, there's a lot of data here. This is 10 hours total. What you should do is find a good spot of the nebula like this, drag a box, and now we go to linear, and we are going to start stretching the image. Image processing, stretches, and GHS, the last one. This will allow us to stretch the image, like stretch only the area that we want. That's why we drag the box here there. I start by increasing the local stretch intensity and dragging the stretch factor until I can see some of the nebula. Press apply. Now press the eyedropper tool, and what this does is it's only chosen the values that are in here. So we're gonna stretch only this part and parts like it. Okay, I reduce a bit the highlight point so it doesn't blow up the whole image. And now as you can see, the image got a lot brighter. We go to linear stretch, And we're going to increase the black point until we hit the bottom of the peak of the histogram. Just apply, do a bit again, just apply, okay, go back to generalized hyperbolic transform, do the eyedropper tool again, and stretch again, and decrease the highlight point a bit. Apply. Again, we increase the contrast. It's important to not go beyond this point because you will be clipping data. Clipping data cannot be reversed. If you clip the data, it will get lost. And you can click the preview to see what changes have been made. Apply. Going to increase the contrast a bit again. It's looking really good. I'm going to try and stretch just the green, just the blue and red. I removed the green from the equation, so we see how it looks like this. Okay, this I like it better like this, so I'm gonna do that. There's a lot of O3 in this region, that's why I love it. Okay, that's it with the generalized hyperbolic. Now I'm gonna do slight curves. So I increase the highlights. I'm gonna do an S curve like this. S curve means increase the highlights, then it goes down, so we increase the black point. Okay. Alright, so looks good. Now I'm gonna save it and put it into Photoshop, and I'm gonna fix some artifacts that it has. I'm gonna save it as starless.tiff. It's important to save in a 16-bit TIFF if you're going to input it in Photoshop. And you can do some masks in Photoshop as well to boost the nebula. Input the file. Okay, now first thing I'm gonna do is press the healing brush and heal some spots that I have here, some dust spots. They go away. I'm gonna heal some of the bending that I have, because unfortunately for some reason I had some bending here. Okay, now I'm gonna do a mask to boost the nebula. Duplicate layer, add layer mask, select and color range, and click on the nebula and increase the fuzziness. Okay, this is gonna choose the O3 parts only, which is good for me. I'm going to boost these O3 parts. Filter, and I'm gonna blur it with Gaussian blur a bit. Go back to the layer, adjustments, curves, and I'm gonna see how this turns out. You can adjust the coloring, bring it more blue if you want. OIII needs to be teal in color, not just blue. It needs to be tealish. Yeah, I like that. Boosted the nebula a bit. Alright, so you can increase some saturation as well. It's tempting to go crazy with saturation, but what you will do basically is increase a lot of color noise. When you're ready, right click, apply layer mask and merge down, or merge visible. I'm going to duplicate the layer again, and I'm gonna choose the outer parts of the nebula now, the red parts. Alright, I'm gonna blur the layer again. Red. Can boost the red now. But if you boost the red too much, it will overwhelm the OIII. So I think I'm gonna leave it at that. And maybe some saturation, I don't know. Oh, it's too much. A bit only. Like that. Alright. Apply. Merge visible. Maybe increase levels like this. Just a touch. Alright, so saturation is good like this, I think. Alright, so save. I think this looks pretty good like this. You can also sharpen it if you want. Like I choose the channels normally because the Halpha is the cleanest channel. And you can go to. You can also do masks for this. I don't like it, to be honest. I like it unsharpened. This is a love and hate relationship. You sharpen it, okay, you sharpen it, but sometimes it looks worse. I am actually gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna input this back into Siril, the saved file, and I don't know if I can do as in transformation. This will blacken the background, but yeah, I think I can do some blackening. Okay, like this. Yeah, like this is good. Now I'm going to overwrite the starless file that came out, that we first used, and choose 32-bit floating point. Now we're going to recombine the stars. Image processing, star processing, and star recomposition, and choose yes. Okay. Now input the starless layer that you just overwritten, and the other one is the star layer, star mask. Now this will, like, it's your choice how much stars you put. Like if you like it like this, with this much stars, yeah, fine. But in my case, I like quite a bit of stars in my images. So, and I do it generously. I don't just drag the slider like this. I just do it generously. A bit and apply. A bit more and apply. Like this it looks good, to be honest, but I want just a bit more stars. Apply. This is the amount of stars I like from my images. Okay, so this is the final image. If you like my videos, the processing I did with this image, and this has helped you, please subscribe to my channel and do a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And check out my other videos and guides I have on this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Clear skies.